Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to install Warzone for the new Black Ops 6, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do if you have it uninstalled on Xbox app, all you have to do is go over to Xbox app, go over to Call of Duty, and it should say update right here. Now you can do this for Steam as well or Battle.net. It should be the same, method, just update it. But once the game is basically updated and you're able to, play it or go into it, whatever, what you want to do is you want to go over to Call of Duty Warzone Season 1. You want to click on it, and most likely this won't show up because the game isn't installed. But basically what does come up is that there are like installed packs, and one of them is Call of Duty Warzone. The other might be like multiplayer campaign, for example, if you have purchased that. But basically for Warzone, to install Warzone, you just have to click the Warzone one. I think it's like around 40 to 50 gigabytes. And once that is installed, shouldn't take too long. Once that's installed, you should be able to open up Warzone and it will look like this. You can see the new map. You can see the new maps, plunder, boot camp, whatever, etc. You can also view the camos as well for Warzone. And yeah, that is basically it. Oh, not this right here, camos, and then these are the Warzone camos. And that is basically how to install and play Warzone for Black Ops 6. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.